Hello everyone, welcome to How Does Psychology Apply to ABA? In this video we'll be covering negative punishment. Let's go ahead and review what negative punishment is. So if we break down the components, negative means we'll be removing a stimulus from the environment, and punishment means we'll be decreasing the probability of the behavior occurring in the future. So if we put that together, negative punishment means we'll be removing a stimulus from the environment, which will ultimately decrease the probability of this behavior occurring in the future. Something to keep in mind is that punishment can be controversial and may have adverse effects, so we want to avoid punishment when possible and opt for reinforcement-based interventions instead. Now let's examine a clinical scenario. So let's say we have a child who's hitting other children during a group instruction activity. The function of this behavior is likely attention. In other words, the child may be hitting others in order to receive attention from the instructor. We can punish this behavior by withholding attention. Thus, if we place the child in timeout in another room, we've withheld attention and the child can no longer hurt others. So, negative punishment has occurred when we remove the child from the group instruction environment whenever they hit another person. Let's break it down one more time. The antecedent was the group instruction beginning. The behavior was the child being physically aggressive towards another. This led to the consequence of the child being put in timeout or removed from the environment. And in the future, the child will be less likely to engage in hitting or being physically aggressive against another. Thus, negative punishment has taken place.